Plant FAQs. Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia. The enchanting Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia, a gardener's dream. The first time I encountered a Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia, I was captivated. Its majestic presence dominated the landscape, boasting glossy green leaves with a surprising velvety brown underside. Then, the intoxicating fragrance of its enormous white flowers hit me. A truly unforgettable experience. For any gardener seeking a statement piece that offers elegance and ease of care, the Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia is a dream come true. In this article, I'll delve into everything you need to know about this captivating southern charmer. Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia versus Little Gem. I've found Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia to be a favorite of mine for its striking, dark green foliage and rich, fragrant blooms, while the Little Gem variety is more compact and ideal for smaller spaces, though it doesn't quite match the grandeur of the Brackens. Bracken's Brown Beauty versus Southern Magnolia. Between Bracken's Brown Beauty and Southern Magnolia, Bracken's has impressed me with its more manageable size and slightly faster growth, whereas the Southern Magnolia, while majestic and beautiful, tends to get quite large and can be a bit too overwhelming for smaller gardens. How tall does Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia grow? The Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia is a statuesque evergreen, reaching a mature height of anywhere between 20 to 30 feet tall. Its spread can range from 15 to 25 feet, creating a beautiful pyramidal to oval shape. This majestic size makes it a perfect focal point in your garden, providing ample shade during the hot summer months. While propagating a Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia from seed is technically possible, it's a long and challenging process that requires patience and specific conditions. Magnolia seeds have a short viability window, meaning they lose their ability to germinate quickly. Additionally, seedlings may take up to 10 years to reach maturity and exhibit their true characteristics. For most gardeners, purchasing a young sapling from a reputable nursery is the recommended route. This ensures you get a healthy tree with established root systems, guaranteeing faster growth and a more predictable flowering time. Finding your perfect Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia. Finding your own Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia is a delightful prospect. Many reputable nurseries and online plant retailers offer this popular cultivar. Look for nurseries specializing in native plants or southern flora to increase your chances of finding a healthy specimen. When choosing your tree, inspect the leaves for any signs of disease or damage. Ensure the root ball is firm and hasn't been circling in the pot for too long. Opt for a tree that's 2 to 3 feet tall, allowing it to establish itself in your garden before reaching its full, majestic height. How to care for Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia. With proper care, your Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia will reward you with years of beauty and fragrance. Here are some key things to remember. Sunlight. This magnolia thrives in full sun, receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Plant your magnolia in well-draining, loamy soil enriched with organic matter. Watering. Water your tree regularly, especially during its first few years of establishment. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid waterlogged soil. Fertilization. A balanced fertilizer applied during early spring can encourage healthy growth and abundant blooms. Pruning. While not strictly necessary, light pruning in late winter can help maintain your magnolia's desired shape and remove any dead or damaged branches. The perfect companions. Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia makes a stunning standalone specimen, but it can also be integrated beautifully into your existing landscape. Consider planting it as a backdrop for colorful flowering shrubs like azaleas or camellias. Creeping perennials with vibrant blooms, such as phlox or hostas, can add a touch of color and texture at the base of the tree. With its captivating beauty, fragrant blooms, and easygoing nature, the Bracken's Brown Beauty Magnolia is a surefire winner for any garden. So, if you're looking for a majestic addition that will add southern charm to your landscape, look no further than this captivating magnolia cultivar.